Okay? The meta model is about a transformational grammar. So it's a model about a model. Now, having said that, I want to talk just a little bit, okay, about what a model is. I talk about the meta model and talk about what is neuro-linguistic programming. NLP is a model of communication. It's not a therapy technique. It's not an educational tool. It's not a new sales thing. It's a communications model. So purely speaking, it's a communications model. With this model, okay, you can use this model as a template to superimpose over groups or individuals, and with this template, you can gather information and create successes. So within the model, there are mini models. Now, a model is something that you have created, okay, based on observations. And through this model that you have created based on observations, you can predict something that happens in the future. So a model is used to predict things. If you develop an engineering model to build the Sydney Bridge, hopefully you can predict that the thing's not going to fall down, right? So that's what models are all about, is they're used to predict things in the future. This communications model of NLP is used to predict that communication styles or dynamics in the future. For example, if part of this model is to observe what people do with their eyes, and I can predict that based on this model, that when you look in a particular direction, you're doing something in your brain, okay? This is useful for me because in the future, wherever I am, I can use this model to predict when someone moves their eyes in a particular direction, it means something, okay? Get that? So the model, right, is the basis of which to predict things in the future. In relationship to NLP, it's a communications model, and we have micro models in that. For example, the big NLP model, or the model of rapport, the model of representational system, the model of language. So you have smaller models within the big model of NLP, okay? So it's a cool thing that you can predict the future.